Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Roblox account location on mobile. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to change your account location for Roblox, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just click on more at the bottom right inside the Roblox app. And you want to go and scroll to the very bottom until you see the help and safety section. Let's go and just select this one. Now, from here, you want to go to the help section. Now from here, you want to go to the search your articles here and just type in location. Now go and click on search. Now in location, you want to go and choose account location. Now from here, you want to go and scroll down a bit. Now just to give you some idea, usually Roblox changes your location depending on where you're accessing your account. So for example, if you move to Australia, your account will automatically update. But if that is not happening to your account, what you need to do is you want to go to the very bottom and click on need more help, contact support here. Now in here, you want to go and fill out all the necessary information like your username, your first name, your email address, and the confirmation of that email address. Like you go and choose your device type. So I'm using an Android phone here. Let's go and choose that one. Let's go and click on type of help category here. I'm going to choose the option that says how to. So you may need to scroll down, click on how to, click on help subcategory here. Click on change my location, and from here you can go and just describe your current issue. Let's just say you can just say here that you move countries and you want to update your location to that specific country. Now from then on, provide any relevant information, what country you moved from and what country you moved to, and just click on continue. Now this will send a request to their help team or their support team, and they will be able to accommodate your access. But just keep in mind, it might take them a few days to update your account. So that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.